As candidates and political parties are gearing up for the Autonomous District Council elections 2025, DD Meghalaya is hosting exclusive interviews with some of the familiar figures from different political parties to converse and interact on wide-ranging topics, keeping you, the voters, in mind. On this edition, we caught up with George B. Lyngdoh, an independent candidate who will be contesting from Umroi constituency under the Umroi Democratic Front banner. Lyngdoh spoke about the collapse of the Umroi Constituency Progressive Forum, the anomalies within the Khadc, among other things. So let's listen in.
Fika Umroi Democratic Front kadai kabangila asna daga jingwan I men sim lang jong I MDC barim jong ga Umroi Constituency ba albinus Lyngdoh. Te manga bat I hadin ba albinus ladu tiket na ke kongres. Te ilawan ikendu ngalai kendui na isyong perkhat rengkat berkirang ba long kemi katukan ni nomor ngidu ukertong ki kidu tiket te ngim seudon lenti syu sekhamat banya kumno banya yai kan election na terdau ngia senrop lang yang montong ngi tre rengkat kajing terwa jonga soning kong kolong yi ba to ykhun me iru mlele nomor la long teng MDC nganum kerki hi banya kedi no syuki te hendrei me ipat haji penbej jong I bagi yang kesam jong I nomor ba im yang balada iduk tiket inum yele te inyat no kaji klik sanga